سلام، من مجید هستم. قسمت جدیدی از Persian words and phrases. Today we're gonna talk about likes and dislikes in Farsi. دوست دارم. I like. دوست داری. You like. دوست داره. She or he likes. The conjugation of the verb to like, we had it before. You can find the lesson here if you like. Please note that I have marked the sound t here because when it comes to speaking or listening, you might not hear this t sound when somebody speaks. So I can say, or you might hear, دوست دارم or دوست دارم. خیلی دوستش دارم. I like it or him or her a lot or very much. As always, the adverb that we need for these sentences can help us a lot. خیلی very. واقعا really. یک کم a little or a bit. اصلا not at all. So let's go back. خیلی پیتزا دوست دارم. خیلی کیک دوست دارم. خیلی سالاد دوست دارم. So you can put any word here that you like. For example, you can also say خیلی فیلم دوست دارم. You see no object marker row here, but it's an option. You can also use it. More examples. ماهی دوست داری؟ Do you like fish? ماهی means fish. خیلی چای دوست داره. He or she likes tea very much. چای or sometimes we say chai. دوست ندارم. I don't like. دوست نداری. You don't like or you don't like it. دوست نداره. He or she doesn't like. So it's basically the negative form of the verb دوست داشتن. خیلی فیلم کمدی دوست ندارم. I don't like comedy films very much. اصلاً سوپ دوست ندارم. I don't like soup at all. اصلاً together with the negative verb at all, not at all. چرا موز دوست نداری؟ Why don't you like banana? کارش رو دوست نداره. She or he doesn't like her job. Another option to say I like something is this phrase. It actually means something makes you like that. For my German watchers, I can say it means es gefällt mir. As something خوشم میاد. I like something. خوشت میاد. خوشش میاد. از آهنگ‌های ایرانی خیلی خوشم میاد. I like Iranian songs very much. ازش خوشم میاد. This sh is object ending, which means him, her, or it. ازش خوشم میاد. I like him, I like her, or I like it. خوشت میاد. Do you like it? از من خوشش میاد. He or she likes me. So we have here the negative form of the same phrase for saying don't like. As something خوشم نمیاد. خوشت نمیاد. خوشش نمیاد. For example, از فوتبال خوشم نمیاد. I don't like football. So this preposition as must always be there when you want to say something. ازش خوشم نمیاد. Again, object ending. I don't like her, him or it. چرا خوشت نمیاد? Why don't you like it? خوشش نمیاد وقتی من دیر میام. So it's two sentences here. خوشش نمیاد. He or she doesn't like it. وقتی means when. من دیر میام. When I come late. Here we have another phrase which means dislike or even can't stand something. So as something بدم میاد. بدت میاد. بدش میاد. از مریضی بدم میاد. I dislike or I can't stand sickness. مریضی sickness. ازش خیلی بدم میاد. I really dislike or can't stand him. خیلی بدت میاد. You really dislike or can't stand it. از سیاست بدش میاد. He or she dislikes or can't stand politics. سیاست politics. عاشق something بودن. To love something. عاشقشم. I love it. So this am is this بودن and this sh is it object ending. عاشق آشپزیم. I love cooking. So you can replace this word آشپزی with any word you like and then you have this phrase. I love something. عاشق fast foodی نه. You love fast food, don't you? عاشق پیاده رویه. He or she loves walking. پیاده روی means walking. متنفر بودن. So we are even a level higher in hate. I know it's not good, but we may use these phrases in our life. Again, as something متنفر بودن. So your verb is again بودن and this adjective means hater. ازت متنفرم. I hate you. از جنگ متنفرم. I hate war. Let's stop with two examples for this phrase because it's not good to hate. And here we have the highest level of hate, which is حالم از something به هم میخوره. Means something is so bad or you hate something that it turns your stomach. حالم ازش به هم میخوره. Means I really hate it or her or him. حالم از دروغ به هم میخوره. I really hate or really can't stand lies or telling lies. خب شما چطور؟ از چی خوشتون میاد و چی بدتون میاد؟ Try to write some sentences in the comment section if you like, telling us about your likes and dislikes, and try to use various phrases that we learned today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. It's easy and fun. خداحافظ.